Hey everybody, I'm Greg Soul, and as you can tell from the timer moving there, I've given myself 2 minutes. Install Apache.yml. 2 minutes to create a piece of automation and actually execute it. So I'm going to try and do all this stuff in tandem. Let's see how it goes. This is dumb because I obviously install Apache. We'll just go with that. I'm going to change the host to be Greg Rocky 9. I think that's my demo host. Gather facts false. I'm going to say become true. Don't say yes. Install Apache. Yum. We'll change this to DNF. Why not? DNF. Apache service. Enable. Yeah, all that looks fine. I'm going to save that. I'm going to come over here. I'm going to commit it. Commit. Sync. You got to give that just a second to synchronize. Now in my Ascender here, I'm going to go to the projects. The Ascender miscellaneous. So that should have already committed. This has to kind of refresh for a second before that playbook will actually show up. So I think I'm hitting the timing right. You don't want to say new there until you get it. And this is going to be install Apache Speedrun inventory, right? This is going to be the list of all the hosts I could operate against. I'm going to do it out of my generic inventory. My project is going to be the Ansible miscellaneous ones where I keep all just my random junk. In here it should be install Apache. All right, it did get there in time. I'm going to do my credential as my lab server's root, whatever, who cares. I'm going to click save. And I'm going to launch that. All right, as you can see, it did successfully complete. So the 2 minute timer did work. I mean, we made it out of the line. I'm going to give myself 14 seconds. I was able to get it, launch it, and it completed shortly thereafter. So if you have any questions or comments about automation, you would love to see another speed run of this sort, you find this amusing to see somebody sweat so profusely when trying to do automation, let us know. If nothing else, thanks, and we'll see you very quickly next time. Bye.